students decided to participate in a fundraiser to send money to students in Houston. We brought coins in for the last week and a half. So first of all, when I heard the total, I got goosebumps because I couldn't believe how generous that our families and our students were, and just how some of these students are lacking themselves, and yet their hearts went out to these students who had lost everything in Houston and wanted to do whatever they could to help them. And in that time, we raised $1,335.